Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya.
Hello people, this is the box of the Grandline Man Volume 3 Monkey D. Luffy. So let's go over the box art, which is really nice. On the front side we have Luffy and his coat, and I think a captain should wear a coat, at least, yeah, it's my opinion. And I think he looks very badass with this coat on. Check for the sticker, which is also there. 10th anniversary logo, little side shot of him. Comes together in the series with Mihawk, which is also an awesome character in the series. He's the best swordsman of the world, so yeah, pretty awesome indeed. So really nice close-up. Anyways, let's get him out of the package. So guys, here we have his stand and some bubble wrap stuff. So let's unpack that one. Alright, he comes in a few different parts. We got his coat, which looks pretty awesome. And we have his head and something for yeah, some, I don't know how you call this, but it's for that part over there. His upper body and of course his lower body again. Whoa, oops, you can see it better like this. So anyways, I'm going to put this one together and going to make a review. So see you back in a sec. People, this is Monkey D. Luffy from the Grandline Man, and he's awesome. Yes. Now I can see that he is a captain because of his coat, which is freaking awesome and freaking sweet. Anyways, let's go over some detail. Here we have his face, which is awesomely sculpted. I like the hair and the head, of course, the straw hat. Returning for you guys. Pretty awesome, very nice detail, like the straw hat from the Grandline Man Volume 2. So he's in this kind of arm crossing pose, yeah, which is always awesome, arm crossing poses. Oops, sorry guys. He has some towel over here, I don't know what it is, but it's awesome. So the legs are pretty much the same as the Grandline Man Volume 2. So let's put up 360 here. Not the best. Nice. I really do like his coat. It's a kind of metallic reddish. Yeah, I don't know if you can pick that up. And this is kind of also a bit of metallic with darker red. Awesome detailing. It is made of flexible rubbery plastic, but you don't want to bend it too much because it will leave some stress marks. So awesome figure indeed, guys. And which is even more awesome is that his coat can come off, of course. So if you want to do that, you just pop his head off like so, then take the coat off and then pop his head right back on, and he still looks awesome. I mean, the detailing is pretty much fantastic. Even in his back now, so guys, awesome figure. I don't have any other words for this. This is just amazing. I keep him, of course, displayed with the pirate coat on, so like so. Because I love coats. Coats are awesome. Every captain should have a coat. So, anyways, as for a size comparison, I will show you guys my Grandline Man Volume 2. He's a little bit smaller. Yes, he is a little bit smaller, but still fantastic, and I still like him. And yes, he still is awesome. And everything on him is awesome. So here's size comparison with the Grandline Man Shanks. So guys, do I recommend this figure? Yes, I do recommend it, and it's awesome for 15 euros. It's an awesome piece, and you can't go wrong with this one, guys. You just can't. If you want a cool looking Luffy, and even if you got the Volume 2, get this one also. This is just awesome, amazing and awesome, and all the other stuff that I said. So guys, hope you enjoyed this review about him, and well, see you guys with my next review. Have a nice day.